decided to do Icebreaker, a Premier Ride skyrocket. This has a swing launch. I'm pretty sure this is the first swing launch coaster I have ever done. So yeah, let's jump on. After coming off of Icebreaker, definitely one of the best coasters here. Yeah, I love the swing launch on it, and there's like loads of airtime. Yeah, going over that top hat does feel quite forceful. You've got some sideways airtime, you've got some normal airtime, and then you've got this spike right behind me, which if you're on back, which we're on front, will probably be quite good. But yeah, wheels on front, and yeah, some of the airtime you got on that was amazing. So yeah, I'll be very interested to see how high you go on the spike, and also like how fast you go over those airtime hills on back. But still, absolutely smashing coaster. It did break the ice for me, and yeah, great coaster, and I love it.